Hi guys, this is the second module in our preparation of AZ-104 Azure Administrator Associate. In this module, we will discuss about Azure subscription and accounts. The first concept in module 2 is Azure Region. Region is a geographical area on the planet. Region contains one or multiple data centers that are connected together with a low latency network. Few examples: West India, Central India, and South India. At the time of recording this video, there are 60 plus regions available in 140 countries. And as we can see in the slide, some of them are announced. Azure has more global regions than any other cloud provider. Azure has presence all over the planet, so we can deploy our applications closer to their users. Regions preserve data residency and offer comprehensive compliance and resiliency options for customers. When we deploy a resource in Azure, we can choose the region. Some services are only available in certain regions. Azure Active Directory, Azure Traffic Manager, and Azure DNS do not require us to select a region, as these are the global services. Each region is paired with another region within the same geography, together making a region pair. Exception is Brazil South, which is paired with a region outside its geography. We should consider these things before deploying the application on Azure platform. Every region is paired with another region, making it a regional pair. There is at least 300 miles of separation between data centers in each regional pair. So in case of natural disasters, our services would be running. Some services like geo-redundant storage provide automatic replication to the paired region. In the event of outage, recovery of one region is prioritized. Regions will be sequentially updated to minimize the downtime. A region resides within the same geography as its pair, except for Brazil South. Brazil South is paired with South Central US. They both are in different geography. It is done so to meet data residency requirements for tax and law enforcement jurisdiction purposes. As we can see in the slide, India is one geography. India has three regions: Central India, West India, and South India. Central India is paired with South India. Similarly, West India is also paired with South India. Now that we know what a region is, let's understand what is Azure subscription and account. Azure subscription is a billing entity. We can have multiple subscriptions linked to a single account. The account associated with the subscription is responsible for billing. As shown in the slide, we have an Azure account under which we have three different subscriptions: dev subscription, test subscription, and production subscription. The Azure resources will be deployed in one subscription, and they will be billed accordingly. An Azure account is simply an identity in Azure Active Directory or in a directory that is trusted by Azure Active Directory, such as work or school or organization. If you don't belong to one of these organizations, you can sign up for an Azure account by using your Microsoft account, which is also trusted by Azure AD. Now the question is how to get an Azure subscription. Any enterprise agreement customer can add Azure to their agreement by making an upfront monetary commitment to Azure. That commitment is consumed throughout the year by using any combination of the wide variety of cloud services Azure offers from its global data centers. We can also buy the Azure subscription through Microsoft Reseller, Microsoft Partner, or we can have our personal free account. Azure offers free and paid subscription options to suit different needs and requirements. An Azure free subscription includes a $200 credit to spend on any services for the first 30 days. Free access to most popular products for 12 months, and access to more than 25 products which are always free. This is an excellent way for new users to get started. To set up a free account, we require a phone number, a credit card, and a Microsoft account. Now the question is, what happens to our credit after 30 days? Azure will ask you whether you want to upgrade your free subscription to pay-as-you-go subscription. A pay-as-you-go subscription charges monthly for the services we used in that billing period. This subscription type is appropriate for small businesses and individual and many large organizations as well. Another subscription Azure offers is Azure Enterprise Agreement. An enterprise agreement provides flexibility to buy cloud services and software licenses under one agreement, with discounts for new licenses and software assurance. It's targeted at enterprise scale organizations. Another subscription Azure provides is Azure for Student subscription. An Azure for Student subscription includes $100 in Azure credits to be used within the first 12 months, plus selected free services without requiring a credit card at sign up. Before creating Azure for Student subscription, we must verify our student status through our organizational email address. Now that we have concept in our back pocket, let's create a free Azure account. For creating free Azure account, just search for Azure free account in your favorite search engine. I have searched it on Microsoft Bing. Once you search for it and you get the results, click on this hyperlink that says azure.microsoft.com. This will land you to page of Azure Microsoft. Click on Start for free. Once you click on Start for free, it will land you to this page where you'll have to enter your Microsoft email ID. Make sure you enter Microsoft email ID or your organizational ID. This will give you free account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create from here. Once you enter your Microsoft account, you'll have to provide your password. Once you enter the password, it will take you to this page where you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions. After that, you'll have to provide a valid phone number, and after that you'll have to provide a valid credit card. Yes, credit card is required. Credit card is required only for the verification purposes. Once your free trial is end, Azure will ask whether do you want to upgrade it to the pay-as-you-go. This will, by following these steps, you will have a free Azure account. I encourage you guys to please create a free account before proceeding, because that is important. If you don't practice what is shown in the videos, you won't understand the concepts. I hope this has been informative for you. Thank you for watching, guys.